Rogers On Demand issues like buffering, app refreshes, and slow speeds often stem from network device or service side factors. First, check your internet speed using speedtest.net. Rogers recommends at least 25 mbps for HD streaming. If buffering occurs, it means the app can't download data fast enough. Make sure your device meets minimum specifications like Android 8 Plus. Resolve common app issues by restarting your device, clearing the app cache, and reinstalling the app. For app refresh issues, verify your device's compatibility with the latest Android iOS versions. Switching to a wired Ethernet connection from Wi-Fi can improve speed and reduce buffering. To enhance your Rogers On Demand streaming experience, consider several optimization techniques. Rogers' Smart Stream feature, available for Ignite subscribers, preloads content to minimize interruptions. If you experience slow speeds during peak hours from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, this could be due to network congestion. Consider upgrading your internet plan or contacting Rogers support for a speed boost. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and free from interference. Keep your Rogers On Demand app updated to the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, like the adaptive bitrate streaming introduced in version 4.8.2, which reduces buffering by dynamically adjusting video quality.